this? Sounds of the SE, who's that? Sounds of the Tunerz, who's this? Sounds of the SE, who's that? Sounds of the Tunerz, who's this? The SE Tunerz, who's that? The SE Tunerz, who's this? The SE Tunerz, who's that? The SE Tunerz. Run up in the dance like everybody down. Run up in the dance like everybody down. Run up in the dance like everybody down.
Remember, if you want to see our detailed cleaning guide using our Southeast Tunerz valeting products, you can go to the website www.southeasttuners.co.uk and you can download it from the cleaning guide page. And remember, this month we're giving away a Gracie's Sweet Treats bucket. All you have to do to win is just comment. That's literally it, just comment. Everything you can see here on the screen will be inside of the bucket. Your wrap snacks, your airheads, you name it, all your favorite American candy. And we'll also be giving away our ceramic spray detailer and also our brand new ceramic shampoo this month only. So remember, all you have to do is just comment to win. That simple. We're going to get into the big three, and this is kind of the last stages of cleaning the body. There's some watermarks left, which I'm going to try and get rid of. There's some scratches and stuff in the car, which I'll have to polish out, but I haven't, not going to be able to do that today. So, the last stages. So, this is the way I put these on. So we have the showroom detailer. So that literally gets rid of the watermarks on the car. It's simple, like I said, all of our products, we try to make them simple. So you simply spray it on and then you wipe it off. Okay, that's it. And most of the watermarks will be gone. We then add the Glossy Wet Finish Spray. Now this is a wax, a spray on wax. So you literally spray it on, wipe over the car, each panel at a time, one panel. So you do the wing, the door, the rear quarter panel, the boot lid, and then round the other side, back onto the bonnet. And then you literally spray it on and wipe, and then you go around the whole car. And then when you finish, then you turn the cloth over, and then you buff it all off. Yeah, I'll try and see if I can show you that while I'm out there. And then the finishing step is the ceramic spray detailer. Now this gives you up to 3 months protection. So any rain or any bird droppings that land on your car, you should be able to just come with a jet wash, spray it off and wipe down, and it should be removed. So that gives you up to 3 months protection. Now you know ceramic products are expensive. I'm not going to tell you again. If you guys are not interested and you don't want to look on the website, that's your problem. www.southeasttuners.co.uk or .com. All these products are there and they're very well priced, yeah, but it's up to you. Right, so big up again, Gracie's Sweet Treats. Can't stop bigging them up. You can get them on Instagram or go to www.graciessweettreats.co.uk or .com. So let's get into the big three on the cars now, and let's go and get this car finalized. So you can see from the simple steps of just adding the wheel seal spray and the TYRE'N'TRIM Shine to the tyres, and also adding the TYRE'N'TRIM Shine to the trims of the car. From a distance, the car absolutely looks like it's already fully clean. And this is the time now to add the big three, and we're going to go in first with the showroom detailer. So this is our microfiber drying towel. I use this to put on the detailer. So I use the flat side, this side, if you can see it. I use this side for putting the detailer on the car. I then use this side also for doing the glossy wax, and then I use the reverse side to buff it off. And then when I put on the ceramic detailer, I use this side to literally just buff it into the car, and then it's finished. So let's go. so I've done the first step, which is the detailing. Let me see. Yep. So just gone over the car quickly. Still a bit warm out here today, so the detailer, the bonnet's slightly hot, so when I spray it, it's drying. But I've gone over the car. This is the first step of the big three. The big three cleaning. You can see the car's coming up nicely, absolutely nicely. So that's just the detailing. That's step one. Looking absolutely lovely. The wife will be happy. It's taken 4 weeks. Alright, so second, now in the big three, I'm going to do the Glossy Wet Finish Spray. Don't get confused, I know some of the labels are old labels, some of them are new labels, but don't get confused, same product, we haven't changed anything. So this is part 2, and as I said, I'm going to use this side to put it on, and then this side to buff it off. So let's go. So all I've done there is literally just sprayed the Glossy Wet Finish Spray onto the panel and just wiped it in. Yeah, I've just wiped it in. Gone around the whole car, as you see it took less than probably 2 minutes. I've just wiped it in. So now I'm going to go around the car with the other side of the cloth and buff it all off. Okay, so after using the Glossy Wet Finish Spray, we're now going to take a look at the car. And this is part 2 of the big three. And as you can see, look at that. You know, I don't even need to say anything. Look at that. If you can't see what I'm seeing, then you're blind. But look at the finish. I'm holding the phone in my hand now because, like I said, the other cameras are on charge, but just take a look. Take a look. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. So this is the last step of our big three, the ceramic spray detailer. Like I keep saying, don't watch the label, The labels are changed now, they're all different, same product. So this is the last step, and this is to now protect all the hard work that we've put into. A whole day cleaning a car. This is now going to protect it up to 3 months. So let's get on with it. So even though the car's protected, I'm going to walk around it one more time, just give it the last wipe off, and then the car's done. Happy days. Right, so there you go, the big three, the showroom detailer, glossy wet finish spray, followed by the ceramic detailer, and the car's done. 3 months protection with the ceramic detailing spray, and like I said, the car's come out absolutely stunning. Like I said, if you're not sure about our products after watching this video, I hope you are. I don't know what else I can say. The products speak for themselves. You cannot knock the finish on just cleaning a car. Remember, these are all sprays. None of this is polishing, wax on, wax off, nothing like that. These are just spray on, wipe off. It does take time, but like I said, the ending results are outstanding. And it just takes a little while. Look at that. What more can I say?
know.